one thing you probably don't know about me is I like to beatbox. And I'm telling you, it's very simple to beatbox. Even a lewd bunny like I can do it. So today, I'm going to teach you how to beatbox like a lewd bun. So all you need to do is remember the simple phrase, boobs and butts. That's it. Just embrace that you're lewd and even you can beatbox. Let me demonstrate. Boobs and butts and 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 boobs and butts. And that's how you beatbox like a lewd bun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you appreciate it. Perverts.
Wow!